Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. Really appreciate you all tuning into the live stream. And yes, before you tune in, just remember, not financial advice. You all got to do your own research. So yes, please do your own research before tuning in. All right. I think we're on live. Give me 1 second here. We should be. All right, give me one moment here. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys and gals for pulling up to the stream. We're going to be going over today. Well, as soon as I can pull up my account. Give me 1 second here. And then yeah, we got Tesla here, so we're gonna go over Tesla. Obviously, there are a few others that I still want to happen, but we shall see. Yo, Lee, what's up, bro? All right, we might be getting a move. We got some plays that I'm waiting for. All right, give me a second here. I gotta send some alerts here. Give me one moment. Oh my gosh. Yo, Chris, what's up, bro? So these are the two things that I'm seeing here. Obviously, SPY looks like it could be next. I'm gonna wait for this. So we got like 11 minutes for this close here. But yeah, what I could see, we got a lot of empty space. So that's there. Obviously, we've been in Tesla. So this is from this morning here. We had this clear gap down. No consolidation, as you can see. And then we ended up, so yeah, we did this on a lower time frame, actually. So lower time frame, we had empty space. This was like the perfect play here. We ended up closing above our little box, our level, and then we had the empty space, which was above us here. As of right now, this is like the next leg up. This is like, it's like you get a, a cherry on top. So I want to see up to this 387 and that 390. So in the next, 10, 11 minutes, we do have another close here. So hopefully we do get if we get another close outside this box here, hopefully we get this empty space. Same thing I'm waiting on for SPY. So haven't entered in just on this right now. But yeah, I want to see above that 661. Trying to reach that 66 level. Which looks good. Obviously, everyone knows about IWM here. Beautiful scalp. As of right now, so we charted this on a little 1 hour, 2 hour chart. So we actually got this break outside the wall here. We went all the way up, and then we ended up chopping in between these levels here. So I got my alert set if we want to get a continuation. But as of right now, yeah, we're having trouble getting above some wicks. So hopefully we can get above. So that's all that I ask. All right, so that's there. Obviously, Tesla, we got 9 minutes for another close here. We'll see. Yo, Shango, thanks for sharing the live stream, bro. Appreciate it. And yeah, you can see all that we already did here today. I didn't get to post a chart or anything, so I got to post those later. But you see what happened with Tesla too. A couple members hit that. Shout out Fabby. But yeah, wild day. Yo, True, what's up, man? Anyone catch PLTR, IWM? IWM had a good move. So I'm not gonna lie, I missed that little early entry at that 247. Would have been a great little pocket there to buy in, and then there was that empty space that we're currently in now. So if it continues, I'm not saying that it will, but yeah, 250 and then that 252. Yo, Wall Street, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. He said, yeah, I made a nice 250 on IWM. Wish I had with balls. Dude, all good, man. Honestly, you hit the play. You did good. You didn't let it turn red. The day was a nice, beautiful play. I had a couple good ones. Honestly, I want to see if we can try like a one on live stream. I want to try this on live, but we're not at the level that I want to be at yet. So we'll see how that plays out. POTR ripped without me. All right, yeah, we got these alerts here. I'm going to check back in on this in about 8 minutes. But yeah, clear gap down. Literally same thing that we had here today. Nice little clean gap down. This is the, if you were inside of our Discord, you would have seen what we wanted here. You can see a couple members hit that. And, we actually did end up posting this in the Discord. So right before market open, wanted a nice candle close above our wall. We actually got a close right at open, and then we ended up going to the empty space. Yo, True, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, it's sellers have that control right now, so we stay under that 383. There is some downside, so got to be really careful on that. Obviously, I don't have to worry about that since we were down there, but so that's there. We got some alerts though. IWM want to see if we can finish this upside here, but this has just been chopping out. There's a major dude. Yeah, I know. So yeah, this is empty space here. We make some structure. Obviously, same thing on IWM. So looks like we built another box here. So we get under that 247.16. There is a nice pocket below us. Will it do it this time? Obviously, there's these IWMs, but it's just been chopping out for about like 30 or so minutes. Yo, Linda, what's up? What's up? Yeah, so at this point, we just needed to stay outside of this, or we still need to stay outside of this 249. IWM was a little bit more expensive than usual. Time, dude, exactly, man. But yeah, this has been just chopping, so yeah, exactly. Yo, Joker, what's up, bro? I'm literally just watching all these little contracts here as we're just doing nothing with this. Dude, good day though, bro. Tesla went wild, bro. Tesla went crazy. I can't ask for too much, but if we hit that 390, yeah. I'm just gonna set my alerts here and just see if it is on this. I could care less though. POTR. So yeah, I do want to try SPY. So hopefully we can get SPY, but we haven't got to where I want to go now. All right, POTR. We'll take a look here. Oh shoot. Honestly, there's still some empty space above us, so this is on a 24-hour chart. Obviously, I'm not in this play. But yeah, there was this nice, or there is a nice pocket up to that 161 and that 165. The only thing is about this, I don't really trust this candle right here. It just looks so weird. Obviously, we can stay above. That 156 still looks really good. Yeah, I missed it too, bro. It's all good. I can miss a couple plays. As long as we can catch at least one or two good ones. That's it. Yeah, I really don't want to chase into this. That's the only thing. Yeah, if we end up going back under, you can see, well, body candle wick. Sellers had that control right here. That's just what I can see. Obviously, sometimes I'm wrong. Sometimes I might have to lose. But, yeah, that's just what I can see there. So, same thing like on Tesla. I mean, yeah, we got the empty space here, obviously. That's just for that next run. But do we have the juice to do it? Now, that's the real question. So, obviously, you can see how we opened up this morning. Clear gap down. There was another leg here. That's why I have so many points here. But yeah, you can see from this morning what we called out on Tesla. You can see right before market open, clear gap down. We had some very nice volume there. We actually called that in the live trading chat, and then boom, we closed above. Man, it was wraps for that. I love plays like that because you can see like the strength of it. I like to see the strength of it right now. We just don't have that strength right now. So if we get that next push, want to see a next 2 to 3 minutes for that next close, and then want to see where we land at in the box. Yo, William, view my, I don't know, man. I'm scared to look at it. My bad, guys. I gotta mute you, bro. I don't know what you're showing there. Yo, Jay, what's up? Yo, Q's, yeah, I got you, man. So yeah, right now, just seeing if we get those next legs up. Obviously, I like SPY for the Q's here. This is what I got. So pretty much same thing. And as you can see from this morning here, we had a crazy green candle, and then we ended up officially going up, touching that first and final there. But this is what I like. So everything in Discord. So same exact play, just like how we had Tesla. How Fabi was able to make, what, 90% on Tesla. Boom, you can see what else happened there. Obviously, I got to post the charts, but you can see like the aftermath of some of those plays there. But all right, looks like we're getting a move here. Damn, we would really need a push though. I'm not even gonna lie to you. All right, so on the Qs here, the same exact thing. We got empty space above us, so clear, beautiful gap down like the example I showed you. Obviously, this is more of a range rather than a box. So hopefully we get outside this 594, and then I want the upside. So that's what I'm waiting for. I probably won't take anything else. So, I mean, unless we want to drop, so. But right now, we're just in a area of consolidation chop, so I don't really want to be anything. But you can see, yes, we got pretty much another box here. So I can go ahead and honestly get rid of this. Get rid of this. Let's even say screw that, right? What I circled is what I would be targeting to. And then, yes, we got a nice POTTERBOX, so a nice top-bottom wall. See this bottom level where we're having trouble getting out of. I would want to see us breaking that wall, so we fall from the ceiling, we go to the floor, which is down here. So that will be another box. So that's all that I'll be looking for. For me, I don't like to overcomplicate things, you know what I mean? So this is simple to me. Right now, at least for me, price action is telling me I don't want to enter in anything new. But if we can get above that 594, it looks good. Kind of same thing on SPY. I kind of want to see above this 661. So that's all I'm looking for. Yo, Alex, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. All right, IWM is finally getting a move here. Obviously, we would need a crazy push on this go. All right, Tesla's still moving. Tesla's still moving. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get into any plays, any trades. So please do your research before doing anything, of course. Man, it looks like we're having trouble at this wick here. Ooh, okay. All right, hold on. I gotta send something in the chat. Give me a second here. Ooh, SPY is crossing too. Oh man. All right, 1 second here, guys. I'm sorry. All right, so yeah, that's on IWM. Oh my goodness, if Tesla pushes, bro, oh man, that's gonna be wild. Oh my goodness, I can't even type right now. Hold on. I'm sorry. I'm very. Yo, that is crazy. Oh my goodness. All right, next leg's up here. So IWM 252 if we get it. Oh my gosh. All right, SPY here, baby. And these were trades from earlier. Come on, Tesla. Tesla got to get above that level here. All right, IWM has to. So right now we hit the imbalance, so it's a 50-50 chance. But if we stay above that, I like that 252. OBSK, thanks for the follow, man. Appreciate it. Oh my goodness. All right, SPY for something new though. Kind of want to see. Oh my goodness, bro. And no, I'm not telling anyone to get in or out of trade, so please do your research before doing anything. Kind of want to see like a pullback on this one. Unless we get it like a nice close. All right, we got 46 seconds left. 46 seconds for our next candle. And yeah, this is what we do every day. Obviously, you can scroll through and see what we do, what we try to do. See some members already who's banking today. Shout out Robert, shout out to all the other members there. But yeah, we'll worry about that after. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Are we gonna squeeze? Are we gonna squeeze? And no, I'm not telling anyone to do anything, so please do research before doing anything, of course. All right, let's see if we can retest this 661. 661, 66 range. Six, 661, 66. If we hold, I might try lotto, but I kind of want to see if we can retest this 661, 66 range here. All right, we're getting a push here. Yo, stars, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. So this is the level I kind of want us to retest. I want to like something really good on this. All right, we're gonna pull back here, or at least halfway of this candle here. Yo, Chip, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it, guys and gals. And yes, I am live every single day. So if you were on my live stream in the morning, you were able to see a lot of the plays that I wanted, including that Tesla play. Shout out Fabby, she's in here now. You can see even you can see we have the same exact plays. We get in, we get out. If the trade hits, it hits. If it doesn't, it doesn't. All right. Yo, Fabby, thanks for the heart. Appreciate it. Yo, Lee, thanks for the rose. And yes, my name is Lee, so you guys call me Lee or put bros. Today was I know, right? I'm gonna pin that comment. It's trying, you know. We got some trades trying. But yeah, today was like an easy day. I like easy days. You know what I mean? And then yeah, I got some swings that I like. Hold on, let me. I gotta post a couple other. So just bear with me, guys and gals. I'm sorry. Yo, what's up, everyone? Good to see you guys. Hope you all are having a blessed day today. Dang, I want us to move here, man. All right, let's see if we get a movement here. Can you check my, if you don't know what my, oh, I already know. Yeah, I already know. I'll see you like every day, like posting on NVIDIA. So basically what we're trying to see here, and yeah, I got you with NVIDIA. 1 second here. And if anyone has any other requests, we'll go over those too as well. So, oh my gosh. So yeah, NVIDIA here. I got hold on. So I got these other charts on my my other MacBook, anyways. But so I had above that 180, but I also see a little move up from that 178 up to this like 179 level. So a nice little pocket there. But as you can see here, that 2 hour, I got above that 180 up to that 182, which looks good. So want to see if we can get a nice little push there. So this was my original chart from earlier this morning. Oh my gosh. Yo, Keisha, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it, everyone. And yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can join the free chat, the VIP chat. You can see what we did already today. We do got these codes that will be ending officially this week, so you can see Put Bros 35, and then 40% off that lifetime and yearly. Oh man, 252. SPY, we're still stalling here, man. That's the only thing. Maria and Shelly, thanks for the heart meets. Appreciate it. Hope you all are having a blessed one today. Hope you're having a great one. Today was a great morning. I can't even complain. Yo, Fab, yeah, IWM, we finally, oh, shoot, sorry. I don't know if you can hear that. But, yeah, we finally, so we had a nice little push here. Great little push, obviously. Beautiful scalp here. We ended up retesting this 249 after like a 1,000, years, you know what I mean? Obviously, we get in a push here if we end up getting a continuation 252. That's what I got there. Tesla, pretty much same thing, obviously. Clear gap down, lots of empty space. So this is just like that cherry on top, 387 and then that 390. So kind of want to see the same thing with SPY. It's just being a lot, really, really choppy here. But yeah, we got alerts for everything else. So 252, that's for IWM. You think Tesla's going to honestly, I can't even I can't ask for too much, but I would love it. You know what I mean? So like these are the plays from this morning. I'll go ahead and post so you can see IWM. Empty space was there. Obviously Tesla, empty space. We need a candle close above. We got that candle close, which was all the way down here. So you can see what we charted it on. And then there's that. Are you trading on the lower time frame on the Qs? Let me see here. I mean, the Qs look good. I just don't like how we're moving right now. I'll probably wait for like a 1 hour close just to see. Unless if we get like some crazy strength, then that's when I would. So yeah, we closed above, but a little bit of turbulence here. We just didn't get a lot of strength that we need. So there's still a chance, but we'll see how things play out. So same thing with SPY. We're just kind of chopping. Yo, Eli, what's up, bro? So yeah, same thing with SPY. Like even if we don't necessarily push here, there's still a chance if I can get a 1 hour close. But yeah, IWM. Obviously, yes, we had a nice little push here. We almost went to the imbalance on that first run, and then we ended up chopping. And then we got a next little close outside this box, and we got to get above this 251.16. But I still like the upside, 252, and then, of course, another little leg up. So let's say if we want to go up even crazier tomorrow, I like that 256. So those are things that I can see, which looks good. Obviously, we haven't went over any of these swings. I got like a lot of swings that I'll be looking at for today. Yo, Andreas, what's up, bro? Yes, sir. What causes the big spike up pre-market, and how does... Well, I think for today, if I'm not mistaken, you correct me if I'm wrong, I think it was from a tweet from... So, like, well, we had a crazy green candle. Like, you can see, like, all those trades. It was, like, a big spike. But for me, I just look for the empty space. So, like, today, you can eat... I'll go ahead and show my... my list of what I was looking at. And yeah, I did have both sides on Tesla if we wanted to drop. But I seen that before market open. Obviously, you can see we posted it. Clear gap down. Seen we had a beautiful move. We got an actual close above this box here. And you can see literally the same thing. Nice close outside of consolidation. I seen price action was moving really strong. So that's the reason why I called this one out. And then, yeah, we hit that, obviously, that first target. But I seen more, especially with the way we were moving. And then, yeah, that's that. So I like looking at both the POTTERBOX and the price action. I feel like they both go hand in hand for me. It lets me know, like, okay, I can get in a little bit heavier. I gotta, you know, maybe size down a bit if it's not moving. Like if I gotta throw a lotto, things of that sort. So that's it. So yeah, SPY, this is one of those ones. I would like a full entry above if we can get a 1 hour close. So empty space about that 661 up to that 6654. So that's what I can see, which looks good. Hopefully we can get it though. Not too bad. Yo, Cruz, what's up? What goes hand in hand? I missed what you said. So yeah, that's a POTTERBOX and, at least for me, POTTERBOX and price action. It helps me determine, like, if I want to enter in heavy, if I want to enter in light. Like this morning, I saw we had a lot of movement, especially, and right before open, if you were in the live trading chat, obviously they're still in there now. But yeah, obviously I post all my charts of what I'm looking at, and then I seen Tesla, man. I was like, yo, this price action's moving good. We just need a close. Man, we got a crazy close outside that box, and then you can see 380 more. So that's that. Did you learn the POTTERBOX strats? And now, so I've been trading for a very long time. I just feel like the POTTERBOX helps me a lot. It's a lot easier than a lot of other strategies. Yo, OBSK, yes sir, it's in the bio, bro. Honestly, the free chat is there if you'd like. Free chat. We do got those codes that will be ending this week officially. Put bros 35, and then but yeah, that's that. Yeah, I also like looking, like Benji, I like looking at contract charts too. I feel like they all go hand in hand. But I usually like wake up. I know a lot of people ask me this, but I usually wake up and just see how price action is moving. I got the boxes set. I just gotta wait for it, honestly, and then pretty much see where we open at. If we're in range, could expect some chop if we're in this. You know what I mean? Yo, Jay, what's up, bro? Let me know. TSSI. I'm sorry, Glock. I gotta do it, bro. I gotta look at it. It looked really good. All right, I'm gonna leave these up though. We're leaving these up. All right, Q's. We did not get a close above, so oh yeah, like for this, what I'll wait 40 minutes for you know, another close. So that's that. Hold on, TSSI. So I got my alert set on everything else. See if we want to get up there. Oh my goodness, that looks good. That looks real good. All right, so yes, that looks amazing. That 24-hour chart looks good. Weekly chart. Dang, weekly chart is already above. Yeah, so basically in the Discord we trade first 2 hours. Obviously they're in there like pretty much all day, and then we might get like a decent move after market or before market closes, like an hour before. And then, yeah, we do those swing trades. So, damn, that looks real good. 1632. So, yeah, what I can see here, same thing. We got empty space. Oops. Clear gap down. We get that break above. Got a nice pocket above, so not too bad there. TSSI. All right, that's going to be on my list. Where's my pen? TSSI. No, that looks fire. That looks fire. All right, cool. All right, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Give me literally a minute. Looks like we're trying to drop here. One of some. All right, hold on. I'm gonna leave this one up. We still got what? 38 minutes left. All right, give me 1 second here. I'll be right back. If you do want to join the Discord, links in the bio. Obviously, just please do your own research before doing anything. Or just watch my free live streams. I'm live pretty much like every day. All right, 1 second here. I'll be right back. Yo, what's up, everyone? I'm back. All right, so should I get out of? Let me see. Let me see where Accuse is at right now. And yeah, just remember, yeah, just do your own research, of course. Not financial advice, so you gotta, of course, do your own research. Or all, you know what I mean. But at least for me, if we get above that 594 on a candle close, I do want to see the upside there. As of right now, we're kind of in this box here. So yeah, if we can get out of that box, there's empty space. But as for puts, as long as we stay under that 594.70, could end up dropping. So I'm really liking SPY right now. Oh, okay. I was like, I was reading it. I was like, yo, am I tripping right now? Unless I was like, he might have. I don't know if he straddled or not. Dude, I was like, maybe I need some reading glasses. That's what I was thinking, bro. But yeah, like I said, if we stay under that 594, we might end up dropping. But if we get a close outside, then there's a little bit of empty space there. Yo, man, yeah, dude, you missed Tesla, bro. Yo, 1T, what's up, bro? Yeah, today was a wild day. We had like I don't know why I was thinking about Tesla. I was thinking about it this morning, and then Glock texted me right before market open. I'm like, dude, I see the same thing. And then we had a freaking candle close, bro. Like if you were in the Discord, you would have seen it. But man, I cannot make it up, like, at all. And the way we moved, bro, like, you can see Tesla calls. Obviously, yes, I had puts if we wanted to drop. I like to be prepared. But yeah, you can see Tesla, clear gap down, empty space. You can see right at 9:30 there, we actually had that candle close above. Man, it was wild. So you can see that first hit, that final. But then I was like, all right, guys, I see a little bit more. And just by the way we were moving, there was a pocket here that I saw. And then I'm like, all right, right now, this is basically the same move, which hasn't happened. I can't really ask for Tesla for too much today, you know what I mean? Tesla, I like to take what it gives me, you know what I mean? Clear gap down. Obviously, we did break above, but we're just not committing it. So, 390. If we build some structure, so like let's see, like a nice top and bottom wall. You know, we still got empty space here, so that's going to be a crazy move. And then there's still a nice move here, which I wouldn't mind taking, you know, regardless. So, we'll see how things play out with that. AMD looks good here. All right, 32 minutes, 32 minutes. All right, we're still good. TSSI, that looks decent. I don't know if you've seen this one. This one looks good. Obviously not telling anyone to get in or out of trades or anything, so please do the research. Oh, shoot. My bad, my bad. Was checking something here. Make sure we're back on. Okay, cool. Let me see here. All right, let me get off the 8-hour chart. That's probably my Ooh, that looks amazing, bro. Oh my goodness. I might be a little bit late. Maybe not too late. Not too late, not too late. Yeah, that looks decent, bro. What I can see here, so same thing. This is what I have as I'm checking everything else. All right, so it looks like we might be dropping here. That looks so good, bro. Hold on. Top, bottom wall, break 205. Yeah, we got a nice pocket here. So clear gap down, a little bit of empty space above us. So we get that break above. Top, bottom wall there. We got that empty space, which looks good. So clear gap down. 205, 214. So if this doesn't happen, I might end up seeing what a swing on this looks like. Hold on. I got to write this down. AMD. Yo, Samir, what's up, bro? I'm actually gonna, let me take a look at those cons now. I haven't pulled up AMD cons yet. I'm not sure. And then, dang, you know what? Even after that, bro, just so kind of like Tesla, I'm not gonna say, you know, it's gonna happen like Tesla, but dang, there's another empty space here up to that 246 range. Hold on, sorry, I gotta. Yeah. Where are we at? AMD. Dang, that actually looks really good. Hold on, let me see. So, 27th, so 15s, 215s, 220s. I don't know, I might either try next week's or this week's or next week's. We'll see. But yeah, honestly, that does look really good. So that is on my list. I already got like 5 or 6 other ones on my list here. So yeah, we're gonna have a crazy end of day. That's what it seems like. But yes, guys and gals, thank you all so much for tuning into the live stream. Probably just gonna have to wait for these other plays to happen. We'll see if we can get those. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. We found another crazy gem. Tune into my live stream before market closes, like an hour before market closes, or you can join the Discord. The link is in the bio if you do want to join our community. If you don't want to join, no worries. But yeah, we do have those codes that will be ending, so you can see that in the free chat. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. Hope you all have a blessed one. I'll still be in the Discord, so I'll be waiting for these same plays. But yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. See you all soon. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you all so much.